Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and once your boot options show up, hold power off. This in turn will change into reboot to safe mode, and you want to confirm it by selecting OK. Once the device boots back up, it will automatically be in safe mode. Now, while it's booting up, I'm gonna quickly explain what this mode is designed for, because it might not be what you expect. So in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications, and in certain cases not even all of them, will function. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled as long as you are in safe mode. And that also applies to widgets. Now, this mode is designed for troubleshooting your device in case that you maybe have downloaded some kind of malicious app, or maybe you created one that is making using your device not possible. You could boot the device into safe mode, get rid of that application from there, and then reboot the device back to normal mode, with obviously the problem being resolved. So as you can see, the device is now back on. We do have watermarking right here at the bottom stating safe mode. And once I unlock the device, you should be able to see hopefully some applications that will not run. So we have widgets that most likely will not load. Yep, there we go. And in addition, there we go, we have a couple applications that will not work. So you can see they become transparent, and if you try to open them up, it will give you this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, for the people that might not keep all their applications on the home screen, you'll see that the applications that are disabled will not actually show up in your app tray. So to get rid of them, if you want to, you would need to navigate into the settings and then apps and notifications. I believe it's called. Yep, there we go. Apps and notifications, and then under, come on, there we go. Under the see all, however many apps you have, you can then select one of those. Probably not this one. There we go. So as an example, you can then select uninstall from here. In any case, once you're done with this mode, to get back to the normal one, hold your power button once again and, oops, let's try that again. There we go. And then select restart. The device will reboot, and once it boots back up, it will automatically go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.